You know guys, I am being fully transparent with you guys. Honestly, in my past few videos, I've finally been more honest. I talked about how I really feel about the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipsticks, and I talked about Jeffree Star and the conspiracy palette and the whole thing, and I've honestly never gotten dislikes ever before on my channel, like a couple here and there, and for the first time back to back, I've been getting dislikes on my videos because I've been so vocal and honest about what I've been feeling about these big brands. And you know what? I'm doing it again and I don't care because even though, yeah, they do affect me, I don't care. I'm going to speak my truth. Hey guys, what is poppin'? Today's video is a little different. I kind of just want to get straight into it. So, if you don't know already by the title what this is going to be about, basically I tried placing an order on JeffreeStarCosmetics.com for his holiday mystery boxes. I was so excited. I was so in it. Literally, I was the most excited I've ever been, and I was also very excited to get the conspiracy palette. So can you imagine? I was probably more excited to get the mystery box more than the actual conspiracy palette. And basically, I went on his website. It launched 12 p.m. PST, but 3 p.m. EST. I'm Eastern. Well, like, I live in the Eastern side. So I was on the website at 2:45. I had both my laptop and my phone ready on hand to order the mystery box. And mind you, the mystery box, the one that I was going for was the mini, and that one was the one that sold out last. So that one was the one that sold out an hour later. So I was there beforehand, 15 minutes before. I got onto the website, I refreshed the page, I actually clicked this right here, I clicked shop here, and then the whole website came up and I saw the mystery boxes. I chose the mini. It was about, I'd say, 2:59 at this point. I refreshed my page at 2:59, and by the time I added it to my cart, it was 3 o'clock. I already made sure to save all my credit card information and my address and all that from before so that I could check out quickly. I went to checkout. I was halted. I was halted for about 20 minutes on checkout. I stayed there on checkout for 20 minutes on JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. It was a picture of Shane and Jeffree from the conspiracy shoot or whatever. I'm going to insert a picture over here of what my screen looked like. I was there for 20 minutes. I finally checked out, placed my order, paid, or whatever. All of it was that. My payment went through, everything, my taxes were calculated, and then I pull up my screen. Also, I had both my laptop and both my phone ready to go, so it was whichever one did it first. My phone ended up doing it first, so I checked out on my phone even though I still had my laptop open because I was waiting for it. That's how much I wanted. They had both open. So then, I'm going to insert a screenshot right here. I get this page that says, "Thanks for your order. We're getting a lot of orders right now. You should receive confirmation by email or text soon. If you don't receive it in the next hour, let us know." This is the message I got after I checked out. This is exactly what my message looks like. Like I said, I'm going to put a screenshot on the screen. So this is pretty much telling me, your order went through, you got it, you're good to go, you got the mystery box. And I went back on my MacBook and I saw the mystery boxes were still in stock. Had I known that my order wasn't even going to go through, I would have placed another order on my laptop and done it. But of course, because I got this beautiful confirmation over here, I thought I actually got a mystery box. And you have no idea, I was talking about it all day. I was waiting for my email confirmation, like they said, for an hour. I never got my confirmation email, and it was an hour. So, of course, I emailed them, and since they literally said to contact them if I didn't get my email within the next hour. So I was so excited the whole day. I was telling my mom, my cousin, everyone. They were excited for me. Literally, all I wanted for Black Friday was this mystery box. I didn't care about anything else. And, you know, I genuinely really did want it and was so excited for it, and because I got such a loving message, I really thought that I did get my hands on it, which I was really excited about, like I said, for the millionth time. And a lot of people that I know, a lot of my friends, you know, we were DMing on Instagram, they all thought the same thing. Some of them also got this confirmation. Somebody else I actually spoke to on Instagram said that she got this message, but she did get her confirmation email 4 hours later and did get charged 4 hours later. My card, there was no charge. I put in my payment information, I did payment authorization, I did all of that just for there to be no charge on my card. I even checked pending, it was not there. I never got an email confirmation, so I decided to email Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So over here, I said, hello, I placed an order today for a mystery box and haven't gotten any confirmation email yet. I wanted to know when I would be receiving one. Thank you. I will also put a screenshot of my email exchanges over here on the screen. And then Jeffree Star Customer Service, this was an automated message. They replied saying, hey, your email request has been received. We assigned you to a customer service rep and will be in contact within 72 hours. We prioritize tickets by oldest to newest, and multiple emails automatically group together to place your ticket at the back of the queue. Someone from our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Our hours of operation of ship. Okay, basically, it's saying that it was closed on the Thursday that I emailed them. So I emailed them about 4 or 5 o'clock EST. And I got this automated message right after 4 or 5 p.m. EST because I should have gotten, according to the blank thank you for your order page, I was supposed to get it within the next hour, which of course I didn't. So then after that, I get an email the day after, 7 p.m. saying, hey, if you have not received a confirmation email at this time, your order did not process. This confirmation will include an order number as well as an itemized list of the products you purchased. If you received a thank you for your order, once again, if your purchase pop up, this is not a confirmation of your order. Once again, if your transaction was successful, you should have received an email shortly after with an order number and the items you purchased. Unfortunately, we were unable to honor orders that did not fully process. In the event that you do not receive a confirmation email and a transaction is pending in your account, this is a hold placed by your bank for your attempted order, which I did not get any pending or any sort of charge, even though I put in a payment authorization. Since your orders didn't process, your money should be cleared to your account within a few business days, which I did hear that some people did get refunds, so at least they got their refunds and their money didn't get taken away. So since your orders didn't process, your money should be cleared to your account within a few business days. We recommend contacting your bank if you experience any further issues. We apologize for any inconveniences you may have experienced. If this did not answer your question, please recontact our team. Once again, we are unable to process orders that didn't complete. Thank you for supporting Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Are you kidding me? This is the message I got after wanting to support their brand. So that's that. That's the email I got. Very frustrating. You know, I really do wish I would have filmed the whole process of trying to get it for you guys. But there are a few videos or, you know, screenshots of people that did have an experience just like mine and, you know, have stuff like that. But I do wish that I got it filmed for you guys because I was honestly infuriated. So I got that email. Jeffree Star also posted a story to his Instagram page where he explained the whole thing and said it was a Shopify problem, and of course not on his part, which I do understand. You know, it probably was not his fault. He probably had the stock that he had. He probably gave the right numbers, and you know, it could be a Shopify problem. What I don't understand is that when the conspiracy palette launched, thank the Lord I went in store and got it and stood in line for 2 hours instead of doing it online, or else I probably wouldn't even have this palette in my hands right now. And the thing is that he said that during his Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane launch, he said that Shopify also had a problem and that's why stuff wasn't showing up, people weren't getting checked out, and there was the same exact problem. I will try to insert a clip, like I said, into this video if I can find one of his story, or else if not, I guess I'll just explain it to you guys. Basically, he said that he didn't know why those thanks for your order pages were showing up on the website after putting in the mystery box, and that a lot of people were checking out at once and there's only a certain number of units of the boxes. So basically that's what he was saying, and he said that he didn't know how it showed up and it was a Shopify thing, you know, what we heard basically during the Shane x Jeffree launch. The thing is, what I remember is when the Shane x Jeffree launch did happen, I do specifically remember him saying that he's really sorry and it looks bad on his part and that it's never going to happen again, and you know, this was the highest volume they've ever gotten, and that's why I'm sure the mystery boxes had less of a volume than the Shane x Jeffree launch did. Like, you know, this was selling out in like 2 minutes, whereas the mystery boxes sold out in an hour. So I'm sure, you know, if they were trying to handle such a big launch then and trying to improve from the better, that this shouldn't have happened. It happened once and it's happening again. It's like now I'm getting anxiety literally every single time just to order from Jeffree Star, because literally I am such a disappointed customer right now because it is frustrating to get anything from his website, and the whole thing goes back to Shopify. But I do specifically remember him saying that after last time they would make sure to take care of this in the future. Basically, that was his story. He said the orders didn't go through. He also said that there were people who were buying 6 or 7 mystery boxes and those orders were canceled because they were trying to resell them. Now, the thing is, I understand the whole thing. I understand our orders didn't go through or whatever it is. I do wish, instead of just rubbing it off like, oh yeah, you got that confirmation page, but you didn't get your order and you're sadly never going to get the mystery box. Instead of that, I wish he would have said like, oh, okay, you know, because this whole fiasco happened, we're going to try to make more. We're going to, even if it takes time, like, we know with the conspiracy palette, they're going to make more. People are going to get it eventually. The mystery boxes is a one-in-a-time thing. We're never going to get that ever again. So the fact that this happened for something that we're never going to get again, at least this specific holiday mystery box, I wish you would have said something to console us instead of just saying, oh no, your order didn't go through. I wish you would have said something like, oh, maybe we're trying to make more, or for the, you know, few boxes that got canceled, for the people who do have proof that they did get that thank you for your order page, who do have screenshots, who have done it, for those people to get those orders canceled, that were canceled, those mystery boxes, or some sort of, you know, some sort of something to, you know, console us. You know, the holidays are still here, we still have time, or something like that, or, you know, them restocking eventually, or, you know, them making more just for specific people. I mean, I don't know if that's possible. I just wish we would have gotten anything, literally anything, better than just a, oh, sorry, your order didn't go through, you got that confirmation page, but, you know, it didn't mean anything, so sorry, sucks to suck. You got your hopes up. All the people who wanted the mystery boxes, and you know what, I'm not just speaking for me right now, I'm speaking for all those people who were really excited, genuinely like me. I was ready to film a video, an unboxing, a Black Friday haul with it. We were all so excited, my friends were excited, and it was just this big thing. So I'm honestly really just disappointed in the website and Shopify and their collaboration together. Like I said, this is nothing this is no sort of hate towards Jeffree or him. This is solely just the collaboration between Shopify and Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You know, I knew something was up. I was on his website, like I said, the mystery boxes were here, but I knew something was up when I went to my account and then I went to my order history and there was literally no order there. But of course, I was too scared of getting another order and ending up with 2 mystery boxes that I didn't place another order to be safe. And basically that's the end of it. My order didn't go through. I waited basically half an hour on the website from beforehand. I was ready to go. I got the confirmation and all my hopes just went down the drain. So guys, that is really it for this video. I just wanted to address this. There's a lot of people that are scared to kind of just speak out against Jeffree Star and stuff like that because he does have a lot of fans. And like I said, I have done a few videos, and just because I said like one thing bad, that I was being honestly genuine about his product, actually about the conspiracy palette, I did get more dislikes than I usually get. But you know what? I don't mind it. I'm ready to speak up. I think a lot of people feel this way, and I kind of just wanted to say it for everyone, and I hope this video does spread awareness, because that's all I'm really trying to get out of this, just to spread awareness and fix this problem and make it easy upon everyone. It's not meant to hate or anything on Jeffree or his brand. It's just to try to solve the problem and, you know, have something for us people out there and kind of be the voice for other people right now, and myself included, of course. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for following me throughout this rant and listening to me, and I hope to see you soon on my next video on a more positive note. Bye bye!